Today we're going to learn about how to find the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. So just a refresher, the difference between a horizontal and a vertical is horizontal is from side to side and vertical goes up and down. Now, for our sake this year, we are only going to find the distance between 2 points that either have the same x coordinate or the same y coordinate, which means they're going to kind of be lined up. So let's try this first example. If I'm going to plot -4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and up 1, 2, 3 on the right, I've just plotted -4, 3, and now I'm going to plot -4, -2. So you can see that these line up perfectly. And I want to find the distance between these 2 points. Now obviously you could just count. I could count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore I can say that the distance is 5. These points are vertical of each other. However, there is also a mathematical way that you can find the distance between these points. How you do that is you take your values and you subtract them and find the absolute value of that. So whatever your points might be. So in this case, -4 is the x value that they have the same. You are going to ignore the value they have the same, and you're only going to look at the value that they have different. And I want to take 3, and I want to subtract the -2 from it. And then I'm going to take the absolute value of that to find the distance. Well, remember, when we are subtracting with integers, we always change it to an addition problem. So I'm going to change this to the absolute value of 3, change that to a plus sign, change the sign of the second number. So now I just have 3 plus 2 and the absolute value of that. Well, 3 plus 2 equals 5. The absolute value of 5 is 5. Therefore, the distance between those 2 points is 5. I'm going to try the second one. I'm going to plot the points, -3, 1, -1, -2, -3, and then down 3. And then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1, 2, 3. And I've plotted my 2 points, but instead of counting the distance, I'm going to take the point of their ordered pairs that they have that is different, which is -3 and 5. And I'm going to take the absolute value of -3 minus 5. Remember, when you subtract integers, you're going to change the sign. -3 plus -5. If the signs are the same, that's simply divide. You're just going to add them up and keep the sign. So 5 plus 3 is 8, which is -8. And then the absolute value of -8 is 8. Therefore, the distance is 8. And these points are horizontal of each other. You can use either method when finding the distance. They will both work. Let's try just 2 more examples. In this first example, I've got over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 2, and then over 5, up 4, and I'm going to find that distance. I know that they are vertical of each other, and that means I'm going to look at their y values to see where their difference is. So I'm going to take the absolute value of -2 minus 4, which is going to change to the absolute value of -2 plus -4. -2 plus -4 is -6. The absolute value of -6 is 6. Therefore, those have a distance of 6. In my next example, example number 2, I'm not even going to plot the points. I'm just going to look at which point in their ordered pair they have that is different, which is their x value. And I'm just going to take the absolute value and I'm going to subtract them. So I'm just going to take those x values and I'm going to take absolute value of 4 minus -5. And I'm going to change that to the absolute value of 4 plus, and that changes the sign of the second number to positive. So that's the absolute value of 4 plus 5, which is 9. Therefore, they have a distance of 9. Now you're going to try you're going to try these problems in the Google slide attached. Simply drag the dots that you see on the screen to those points and then just type in your answer for the distance.